Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz and I'm here to do a review on another Sony phone. So this is a recent one I purchased on eBay, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. So here we go with the unboxing. So firstly we have the phone, which I will go through in a second, and then you have the standard mini manual, as well as the cable and charger. I think this was one of the last phones of Sony's where it come with the charger and a power brick. So that's the contents of the box. So now let's have a good look at the phone. So to the phone itself. So here we go. Here it is. Now this is the purple color. So I don't know how well it shows, but yeah, there's a hint of purple all around. So it's not the matte black, but the purple version. So the screen itself, it's a 6.5 inch display and 12 gigabytes RAM, Snapdragon 888 5G, and the battery capacity is 4,500 milliamps. So if we start from the back, to the back you have the three 12 megapixel cameras, and from the top view you have the trustworthy headphone jack, which one of the only flagship phones to still have headphone jack. And on one side are all the buttons. So you have the volume control button, the fingerprint and power button scanner, the dedicated camera button, and the fourth button, this was the Google Assist button. Now the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II and this one had the Google Assist button. So instead of calling up Google, you could just press the button and it would activate it. So I suppose it's quite useful if you're on a train or somewhere out. Instead of you using the actual words, you might trigger off other people's devices. You could do that on your own. And at the bottom you got the micro USB-C, and on the other side here you can see, trying to get the right camera angle here, yeah, the pull out SIM tray. So if I just pull that out to show how easy it is, I'm making it harder than there. Literally pull that out, dual SIM and a micro USB micro USB card as well, so you can add more memory onto the phone. Okay, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. I will go through the phone and set it all up and then do another video in depth regarding this phone. But any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And yeah, thank you once again.